mastiffs outweigh even the biggest snow leopard. She's also outnumbered, so she retreats. She'll have to change her plan. This herd is unguarded, but they would not be easy prey. Even a calf is about twice the weight of a snow leopard. Her impact takes them both careering downwards. But she holds on. It was a risk worth taking. The people here may lose 10 yaks a year to predators like snow leopards. But the local community aims to live alongside snow leopards and compensate herders who lose yak. So they are not hunted here.